Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a Fun Friday video and we are going to be testing out Wayne Goss's method for 24-hour curl for your lashes. We're going to see. I'm not going to wear them for 24 hours, but we're definitely going to see. If they can keep them curled for 8 hours, I'd be happy. So that's what we're going to do today. So let's just get started. His video, he said to use a waterproof mascara. He didn't say what kind. He used the, what is this? Tightline from It Cosmetics? Yes. And that's what I got, the Tightline from It Cosmetics. And so he said, before you do anything else, you take this and you wipe almost everything off of it. And he used his hand, so I'm using my hand. But you get it all off of there. You just want practically nothing left. What a waste, right? That's what I felt when he was doing it. And that's what I feel like right now. What a waste, what a waste. Okay, so I'd say it's mostly off. And then you just put a thin coat on the lashes. Can you guys see what I'm doing? I hope you can because I have to be able to see it too. And you just put a thin coat on the lashes. And then he said you just let it dry for like 30 seconds or so. So that's what we're going to do. And of course I'll cut out the waiting 30 seconds part. And we will just move on to the next thing. And the next thing you do after we wait 30 seconds. Okay, I think it's been 30 seconds. So we're going to take our eyelash curler and we're going to do what he said. And basically he said to curl the lash. Put the curler right up to the root and curl it and hold it for 30 seconds. And I am going to use my phone timer. For 30 seconds. Go. So it's going to be a little more than 30 seconds because it took me that long to get there. And he said that if you don't like the harsh curl, that you can just scoot it down a little bit. And then curl it again. And then scoot it down a little bit more. And curl it again. I don't really mind the harsh curl, but, you know, just to give it a try. Okay, so now I'm going to do the other one. And that's how much curl you get from just the one time. Not too much. So we're going to start the timer again. And then I'm going to do the same thing where I scooted it down a little. And then again. Now that one seems better. Maybe those lashes are longer, who knows. Anyways, the next step is to do another coat the same way, wiping it all off again. Wasting all this mascara again. But it's worth it for the video. Oop. Didn't mean to do that. Okay, that's enough. And then giving them another coat. And this is waterproof, remember? And that's what he said, that it gives it a coating of this and sets it on there. And then you can go in with any mascara and it won't, like if you don't use waterproof, because I don't really like waterproof because it's too hard to get off. So then we go in and we curl again. I bent my wand a little bit, but oh well. So we go in and we let it set for just a few minutes, for just 30 seconds again. I'm going to go ahead and wipe this off my hand while we wait. Maybe waterproof, but I hope it's not makeup remover proof. Seems to not be. All right, it's been long enough. It should be dry. So then you curl it again. This time you curl it close to the lash and you crimp it, and then you turn it up into the eye socket and you leave that for 30 seconds. And of course my phone turned off, so I had to get back in. But he did say if you have really stubborn lashes, you could go for a minute. So we'll just consider this eye the stubborn one. Okay, it has a pretty good curl. On that one. Let's do the other one. It's usually this eye that doesn't curl as well. Okay, there's the curl on that eye. So they're pretty curled, and this is where he says you can go in with any mascara. And so I'm going to use my Monsieur Big from Lancome. And we're going to go in and we're going to see if we can fluff them up and see if they stay curled after adding this not waterproof mascara. I thought I remembered loving this. But it's not really doing anything for me right now. Maybe it's too old. I don't know. Maybe I'll go in with my Charlotte Tilbury. Because, I don't know, that one's just not... It's okay. But I'm thinking it's just old. This is way better. Although I feel like they're coming uncurled already. Yeah, I feel like they're already coming uncurled. What do you guys think? That's what they look like. They're not bad, but I think I could do better if I just curl them again. And I will in a minute. We'll just improve on his technique. And we'll curl them again and then see if they stay. I think this is old. I need to throw it away. All right, I'm going to give it another curl. Yep, it's stuck. Okay, this is what they look like now. I don't know if it's worth it. It's kind of a pain. I normally do a lot of curling anyways. But I don't hold it for as long. I usually just hold it till I count to 10 rather than 30 seconds. So we'll see if this makes a huge difference to my curling methods. So I will be back in I don't know how many hours and let you know how it did. See if they're still curled at all. I'll be back. Okay guys, I am back. It has been, well, let me see, what time is it? It's 8:30. So it's been at least 8.5 hours. I don't know what time, but I know it was, I had it on by noon, probably before that. But what do you think? Are they still curled? I think they still are. I really think it works. I don't think it works perfectly. Like they're not as curled as they were when I first did it. But they're still curled. I want you to see. And they're definitely curled more than they are normally by this time of day. So I think that he's onto something. I don't know that they'd last 24 hours, but that's okay because I don't need them to last 24 hours. But I definitely think that it helped, that they stayed curled. Not completely, but a lot better than they normally do. So I will try this a few more times and let you know in the information box how it worked. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos. And I will see you in my next video. Mwah!